So this is my first project. It's a briefcase, handmade, from vegetable tanned, 8-ounce leather, hand dyed, and I'll show you this is the front, these are the side, this is the side, and the back. And here's the close-up of the strap. And this is the latch mechanism. It's the front face. And then this is the top part of the flap, and the interior. There's some paper in here, but this is just the natural leather below. So I'm very happy with it, and like I said, this is my first project, the first Brain Leatherworks project, and I hope to make more. And I have filmed the footage of me making this, and just sort of details of how I did this, and I'm very happy with it, and I'm going to switch to this as my daily carry. Oh, and here's the close-up of the handle. I really like how this came out, because I can lay the handle flat when I'm not in use. When it's not in use, and I can pick it up and carry it, and it feels really good. And the side attachments are riveted for extra strength. The other thing that I really like, I've seen this in a couple of bags, but not too frequently on a briefcase. This is quick release, so you could be carrying it on your shoulder and then just release it and open, and then go back to just close it. So I was very fortunate to be able to find this and attach it to the bag. The straps are also riveted here for extra strength. And yeah, so I primarily created this because I couldn't find the perfect briefcase for me. I just sort of was looking around, like there were several companies that offered something very close to what I wanted, but they really didn't have the perfect one, and so I decided to make it myself. I'm making more leather projects, hopefully, and I hope to share them on YouTube with everybody. So if you like this video, please subscribe. I currently have 0 subscribers, and I hope to continue to share my works. All right, thanks.